Hey guys, good day. So welcome back to my channel. So I have a very special guest for today. So she's one of my teachers way back when I was still in high school. She's also a friend of mine up until today. So everyone, let's welcome Mom Christine Ibo.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Ayan.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine, and I'm so happy to be here with you this
Okay.
afternoon.
Well, ito nating plinano to.
Yes.
No? So at last na parang nagkaroon din tayo ng time sa isa't isa na parang
Yes, because I'm also thinking that being with you this afternoon is an honor and a privilege also at the same time.
Oh, thank you so much. Because I've been seeing a lot of, Facebook posts from you.
Yeah.
And it seems that, most of your followers liked it. So, how does it feel? Like, I mean, paano siya nag-start? Like,
Just posting pictures, text, and then later somebody told me that it's better to have reels or videos. So I started capturing sometimes important moments. Sometimes I can say na this video is not so important, but I just capture it for content purposes. And then aside from that, later on, somebody told me that I can monetize using that videos. And at first, I didn't believe. Pero later on, I believe on it because I have seen that.
parang totoo pala siya.
Yeah, totoo pala siya because I have seen that I have already earnings.
Wow! Well, ito ngayon tanong ng bayan, tanong ng mga tao. Like,
Yes.
magkano na ba yung kinikita mo sa Facebook? Is that something that you can disclose or something confidential?
Not confidential because at first I started from 0.01 and then it increased. Pero I have not received any pa because I have not yet reached the minimum.
Okay.
Pero as I have seen that it started in the month of December, I've got 7, and then January another 7. So total this time mga 20 plus pa.
Oh,
And then for February, I got the highest kanang monetization. During that time, I posted lots of videos during provincial meet and everything. So I reached mga 8 plus. And then, sad to say, if you're not consistent, it will go down eventually.
But at least, diba, like,
Yes.
kasi alam ko naman parang, I'm not saying na hindi ka seryoso sa pag-upload, but parang you're just recording it on a daily basis lang, diba?
Yeah.
Pag na-monetize, pag may earnings, okay. Pag wala, okay lang din, diba?
Pag wala, okay
Okay
pa
lang din.
rin.
You're just doing it for fun. But
Yes.
all of a sudden, may kita pala. So,
May kita pala.
why not, like, kung ipupush mo pa talaga, mas malaki talaga ang kita, diba?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I know that, mabang, karon kay kanang you're teaching mo, diba, from Mondays to Fridays.
Yeah.
Like, you've been a teacher for how long na ba?
26 years
26
already.
years. Because we met, I think that was way back 2007
2000.
or 6,
I think
something like
like
that.
And then I started in Bourbon National High School 1997.
So, ang tagal mo na pala dyan.
Yes, antik na.
Pero sa balita ko, hindi ka nalipat ng ibang school.
Hindi.
Hindi. At kung hindi ka naging teacher ngayon, ma'am, ano ba yung ano mo? Like, ano ka kung hindi ka naging teacher?
Kung hindi ako naging teacher ngayon, siguro naging frustrated singer ako. Bitaw, siguro kung hindi ako naging teacher ngayon, siguro naging
Well, bakit mo naman sabing frustrated singer? Because I've seen a lot of, live posts that you had naman na
Yes.
parang kumakanta ka. Okay naman yung boses mo. So, ba't mo nasabing frustrated singer?
I love singing, but the singing
Doesn't love you.
doesn't love me. I just enjoy what I am doing.
Okay. Well, that's the most important
Yes.
thing naman talaga. Parang you love what you're doing. Yun naman talaga yung important.
And aside from that, I'm also very happy because I have the support of my family. When I am doing the singing, they will just support me. At the same time, they just respect what I am doing.
Yeah, I like that. Kasi sa pakiramdam, di ba, yung parang, parang may gusto kang gawin, no? Pero parang hindi siya para sa'yo, but, the fact
Because the
that your
people
family is there,
around.
no, parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam, but you have a strong support system, which is your family first, right?
When I was not around for, I think, mga 6 days, my baby told me, Ma, ningaw kay ang balay. Ano ang bibig siya? Uy, nagkanta-kanta.
Ano ba? O, di ba? At least, like,
in
it
that
doesn't
way.
matter kung yung mga kapitbahay natin, or yung ibang nakapanood is they don't like it, but at least you have your family,
Yes.
yan, yung anak mo, di ba ang sarap sa pakiramdam nun? Di ba?
Aside from singing, I sometimes do the dancing because that's one of my ways of exercising.
Oh, let's talk about dancing because ang dami ko nakakita sa mga videos mo, sa mga posts mo, you're doing Zumba.
Yeah.
Right? So, what motivates you to do Zumba? Like, Like, pag may time ka.
Pag may time ako, because here in St. Therese Village, we have a regular Zumba schedule with our trainer, Sir
Mm-mm.
Romar, Monday and Wednesday. So
O,
I
shoutout
always
natin si, ano yung trainer niyo.
shout out kay Sir Romar. Oh, good afternoon to you, sir. We will continue our Zumba as scheduled. Monday and Wednesday.
Mm-mm.
And we have here mga Zumba mates here in
Okay.
St. Therese, including our
Oo, nakita ko
captain.
nga. At nakita ko rin yung ano mo yung si Ma'am Ibo. Nakita ko rin
at
siya
first.
sumasali. Oo.
And then after that one, when Sir Romar kanang have this kind of mga bookings in other
Mm-mm.
barangays, he also invited us. That's the reason why we went to Kadinayla, Intermedia, to
Yeah, I saw some
Kadaruhan.
posts of yours, parang mga ganon.
Yes, and usually some of my kanang Zumba mates won prizes like that. I was also very happy because I won 5 kilos of kanang rice in Kadaruhan.
So, meaning to say, hindi lang pala siya yung parang normal na exercise lang. May mga contest din
May
tong Zumba
pa-contest sila. Depende sa organizer.
ganun. Kasi akala ko kasi dati yung Zumba, parang ano lang siya, like healthy exercise.
Yes.
So, there
Pero
are times
may mga nag-organize na, may mga
okay.
prizes sila kasi may sponsor sila.
Oh, okay. That's really nice, no? Parang not just, staying healthy at the same time, you're looking forward to something.
But for us, we're not after of the prize. We're after of being or enjoying ourselves while dancing.
Oh. Kumbaga yung mga prizes parang bonus na lang
Bonus
yun. Kung meron,
yun.
pag nanalo, edi maganda. Kung wala, okay lang din. At least you're healthy.
Pero we also have lots of bashers while doing
Let's
our
talk
Zumba.
about bashers
because some of them said that we're always doing the Zumba but there's no progress in our body, our katambok.
Teka lang. Teka lang naman. So, speaking of bashers, so what can you say about your bashers naman? I know naman for sure, di ba, kahit sino namang nag-upload ng mga videos sa anywhere in all over social media, meron talaga tayong mga taong ayaw sa atin. Kahit na parang, alam mo yun, parang gusto nating maging better, but parang meron talagang, ayoko siya. So, what can you say about that?
For me, when I see the post of, the comments of the bashers in the Zumba activities that we had, I just take it for granted. I just ignore it because they ask, why is it that we're doing always Zumba Monday and other days, pero there's no progress in our I've told them that it's not for the physical aspect where you can see us now we're getting slimmer because we're doing the Zumba, but it's in the mind, the heart, no, the exercise of our hearts.
Pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam, no, pag nag-Zumba ka after, kasi yung pawis, di ba?
Parang pawis, kapag pawis na pawis ka, ang sarap ng pakiramdam.
And
bonus na yan.
Yeah, and I agree na hindi lang siya, kasi yung mga tao kasi parang, sobrang napaka-judgmental kasi ng tao ngayon. Parang hindi pa tayo dumating sa part, sa part na kung saan, it's not just about, seeing results physically, but to your point a while ago, you mentioned about mentally. Diba? Sometimes kasi parang ang lukot-lukot natin.
Yes, parang like stress na stress ka sa work. And then after that, you do the Zumba, parang lahat ay nawala. Yung stress mo ay nawala.
Naniniwala
and
talaga ako.
When you smile while doing it, when you smile with your Zumba mates, you lost all the stress.
Ang sarap, no, kasi may mga kasama ka na pareho kayo ng paniniwala, di ba? Regardless of kung ano may sinasabi ng tao.
Yes.
No, naniniwala talaga ako doon.
And then I believe also that they are kanang after ba what will be my decision, like we will have the Zumba now, we'll go to Kadaruhan for the Zumba, they just follow what I said.
Oh, really? So, kumbaga,
parang
naging leader ka na rin. Talaga, ganon. Well, it's really nice to hear that. So,
if I will go, they will go. If I will not go.
So, ikaw yung batas.
Yes. If I will say yes, all of them will go with me.
Okay. Pero ma'am, naranasan mo na rin bang, alam naman natin, di ba, yung mga nag-comment sa atin is parang, it's possible na kapitbahay lang natin. Meron pa nga, minsan, di ba, yung parang kapamilya natin. So, was there a time na parang...
May kilala naman.
Speaking of, may mga...
mga friends na nga nagsasabi.
Speaking of mga kilala mo talaga, is this someone na parang nakita mo face to face?
Nakita ko face to face.
Really?
May mga friends ko pa, pero kahit na ano yung sinabi nila, it doesn't change the what do you call this one?
Your drive and motivation to continue doing Zumba.
Yung pagtingin ko sa kanila, friend pa rin kami kahit ano yung sinasabi nila sa akin. Meaning, yung mga sinasabi na hindi nakaka-apekto sa akin, and then parang hindi na rin nakaka-apekto sa relationship ko sa kanila. Still the same. Meaning, kung naging strong ako sa part na yan, parang sila na lang yung huminto sa
Yeah,
kanilang
correct.
mga
Correct.
comments.
I agree. Parang, just wait for the time na
Oo.
until na parang, magsawa ka.
Nagsawa
wala ka
na
na
lang
nagsawa.
sila. Wala
Nagsawa
na,
na
wala
sila.
nang sinasabi.
But how do you feel about it? Like, may basher ka tapos nakita mo face to face. Let's say for example, pagkalabas mo dito, nakita mo
Yes,
sila.
when I see them outside, sometimes I can say, nanasaning ko ay nawayon na ako ay. Pero I just smile at them. Parang wala lang nangyari. Pero dahil tao lang tayo, minsan we can feel na nasasaktan din at the
Yes.
same time. And then yung magagalit ka, nandyan, pero hindi mo masabi sa kanila.
Mm-mm.
You just feel it inside.
Minsan
Yes.
ba parang in-invite mo sila na sumali sa
Yes.
sa grupo?
And I've tried somebody, I invited somebody,
Mm-mm.
and then nag-comment siya ng hindi maganda sa pag-zumba namin dyan sa St. Therese, and then sumali talaga siya
Oh,
when I
really?
invited her to join with us.
So that only means parang it's her way,
Para siguro
her
gusto niya
bashing you, that's her way of, getting your attention.
attention maybe,
Diba?
para
Para
ma-invite siya, and then
Ang
sumali
galing,
naman
no?
siya.
Ang galing. So that only means hindi siya masama talaga.
Ah.
Like, that is something that, parang, I mean, gusto nila tagang sumali. Parang, it's just that she doesn't know how to approach you. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi may mga ganun
Kasi
talaga nahihiya, diba?
Malayo man yung bahay nila.
Ah, okay.
And then yung mga Zumba mates namin ay dito lang sa St. Therese.
Okay. But let's talk about, we've talked about you as one of, well-known social media or content creator in sa Bourbon. And not just in Bourbon, we're hoping to expand your reach and engagement. So, not just in the province of Cebu, no, but
Yes.
sa kung saan pa man. Not just in Visayas, but Luzon and Mindanao. Now, we've talked about that. Then we've talked about you being a teacher as well. Now, let's talk about you as a mom.